We're here on LSU's main campus at the Hill Farm Teaching Facility, and I'm here with Vegetable Extension Specialist Kiki Fontenot, who is doing some trials on some tomato varieties that can be grown in hanging baskets. Now, Kiki, can you tell us a little bit about the varieties that you've been trialing here?
Sure. So, Heather, what we're looking at today are 8 different varieties. Some of our favorites in terms of yields are going to be Tumbler right here, which you're holding the end product in your hand. These were just harvested this morning. It's a nice golden tomato. You can see that even though this has been harvested, we still have a nice heavy fruit load for this late in the season. So that's a good choice if you're looking for quantity. Here's another Tumbler right here where you can see we have tons of flowers on it. So we expect this to keep continuing through the hot part of the season. However, if you're looking for flavor, we advise growers to look at Solano. Solano is in my hand right here. This also was harvested this morning. You can see it's got a nice red color to it. It's very firm, sweet. It tastes like candy. So you don't have to have salt. You don't have to have salad dressing. It's just very, very tasty. The thing we like the best about these is the open stature of the plants. Airflow is great. We don't have a lot of insect buildup. We don't have a lot of disease buildup versus some of these varieties here like Tiny Tim and Red Robin. These are nightmares for home gardeners and commercial gardeners because they're so compact. You have to reach up underneath here. You can see it wiggles too much when I try to get a tomato out from underneath there. The stems break quickly. We have a lot of insect buildup, a lot of disease. You're seeing tons of spider mite damage on these plants right here.
So steer clear from the compact ones. Go for the more open, airy, the spilling type for these hanging baskets. Yes. Are a great choice for consumers. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with Kiki Fontenot for the LSU Ag Center.